how to create a custom match on Fortnite without a creator code. Now, this process or method is very easy. All you have to do first is, of course, launch your Fortnite client or even do the press to play on their official website. Now, you just have to choose on any specific game modes you want, if they're a solo, multiplayer, a battle royale, or whatsoever. Now, once you're on the creator mode, all you have to do instead of choosing on content creator code, you just have to choose or key in into the custom key. Now once you have chosen custom key, all you have to do next is just to simply input any key that you have in mind. And once you're done, all you have to do is just to copy your unique key and just have it shared with your friends so your friends can join your custom lobby. That's basically it. That's how you create a custom match in Fortnite without a content creator code.